Hi children, good morning. So today's our topic is about light and seeing. So here we can see the three different types. So that is transparent, translucent and opaque. What is light? So let me see in this chapter the properties of light, colors, reflection, mirrors, diffraction, about the lenses. Properties of light. Light travels in straight line. Light travels much faster than sound. For example, thunder and lightning start at the same time, but we see the lightning first. When a starting pistol is fired, we see the smoke first and then hear the bang. Light travels faster than sound. That's why some people appear bright until you hear them speak. Light travels very fast, about 3 lakh kilometers per second or 1,86,000 miles per second. Wow, it's amazing really. Is it children? At this speed, light could travel the equivalent of 8 times around the world in 1 second. See children, for 1 second this light speed can go 8 times around the world. Is it? Yes. Not so fast. Light can create shadows. Yes, we know about that. Shadows are places where light is blocked. Rays of the light will follow on that object. So, next we can see our shadow. So, already like this images we also played, I think. You also played children? I played. So, when the light falls, then opaque hand, it shows the shadow. That means it doesn't travel the rays through our hand. That's why we can see the shadow. We see things because they reflect light into our eyes. This is literally the only way we get to see the things. All objects we see either create light or reflect light. That means if we want to see the objects, the light should fall on that, then the brightness of that object, after that we can identify that is one of the object. Light is a form of energy called electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation comes from the sun and other sources. Let me see the properties of light. Light travels in straight line and is a form of energy. Light travels much faster, that is 1,000,000 times faster than sound. We see things because they reflect light into our eyes. Shadows are formed when light is blocked by an object. Visible light is only a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The other parts are invisible to the human eye, but not necessarily the eyes of other animals. Next, we can go for the mirrors, that is the reflection and mirrors. I'll explain through the class children. So, this one we have seen, that is the regular reflection and diffuse reflection or irregular reflection. So, smooth shiny surfaces have a regular reflection. So, if it is smooth, maybe any other object, our reflection also will be in the regular only. If the object is rough, dull surfaces have the diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection is when light is scattered in different directions. This diffuse only we call it as the irregular reflection also. Yeah, here we can see through the pictures. Regular reflection, that is the incident ray. When it falls on the plane mirror or any other smooth surfaces, it is going to reflect. That rays are called as the reflected rays. See the diffuse reflection. Incident rays are falling on the rough surface. So how the reflected rays are moving, we cannot identify it properly. So we can, if it is falls on the rough surface, we cannot see, but does not reflect an image. We cannot see the proper image in the diffuse reflection. So what are these review of reflections? Two types of reflection, regular and diffuse. Mirrors comes in three types, plane, convex and concave. Each has the distinct shape and use. Mirrors can make virtual images or real images depending on their type. Virtual images, light rays do not meet and the image is always upright or right side up. Real images always upside down and are formed when light rays actually meet it. So using the mirrors, here we are having the periscope. I will explain about that, and a car headlights. Here we are going to use the mirrors. And the types of mirrors already I told for you, that is the plane mirror, concave and convex. Plane mirrors are flat and make virtual images. The images is virtual because the light rays do not come from the image, they only appear too. So this side of your left hand side, the man is there. Right hand side we can see the image. This light rays I will explain to you. So this is the virtual image, the object it will be formed this side, that is the real object. Concave mirrors are curved inward. Just remember, you go in to a cave and in to a concave. Easily we can remember it. Is it, children? Yes. See, just remember, you go in to a cave, in to a cave. So and into a concave mirror. So the mirror's formation of a image by a concave mirror. Convex mirrors are mirrors that curve outward. Convex mirrors are used for security purpose in cars, etc. They allow us to see a wide view. The images they make are virtual. This is the ray diagram. I will explain, children. Then what do you mean by refraction? Refraction is when waves speed up or slow down due to traveling in a different medium. A medium is something that light waves will travel through. Light rays are slowed down by the water, causes the ruler to look bent at the surface. The mediums is the example are water and air. So here we can see in a tub, taken the water and dip the scale. So up to that it is one media. Inside the water it's the another media. The degree that light bends when it enters new medium is called as index of refraction. Down also we can see, children, what is that? Spectrum. When the light is falling, it is dividing into the different types of colors. Through the ray diagram we can see here, light hitting and angle is bent. Review of refraction. Light rays slow down when they enter a new medium. Refraction can cause light rays to change their direction. All transparent materials have their own index of refraction. Light is refracted when it passes through lenses and this creates the images. So when you keep the glass and inside the water is there, when you keep the any object, here we are showing the spoon, so we can see that bending of that object. So this is called as refraction of that light. Okay, children, thank you.